Haven't done one of these in a long time, so I have to warm up and stuff. And you see those boxes over there? Yeah, I'm moving. And I'm getting Lego, so one of those could be Lego. Because I got an email on ships and stuff like that. And so, never mind. Oh, no. There's nothing in here. I gotta warm up. Oh, man. You know, I gotta get something in there. Right there. Okay, you know what? Never mind. I didn't really do anything. I was just trying to do something with it. I think you should turn your volume on because I don't really know what's in anything to eat or drink on here. No, so yeah. Okay, I think I just got that thing out. I don't do this much anymore because, yeah, well, people are bored of it. But I'm moving, so more people would know about it, so they want to hear it. Man, that just came out. That's a new one. I'm not gonna name that one. Oh yeah, and oh no, mind you would see it right there. It's right there. Oh, well, no, you don't really see it, so. Yeah, I think I'm wasting right now a little time, so. Yeah. Oh. Okay, I think I just blew one out, and so there's more fiber in here. My dad makes me have a lot of fiber. It's hard. Yeah, I think I really should get a drink after this, and yeah, my videos are usually different. Yeah, I'm in my PGs. You might have noticed that. SpongeBob, because this is right now in the morning, and you can hear my birds maybe if you turn up the volume, like that. So yeah. I noticed I should do this upstairs in my room, in this new house. Okay. Okay, that one's in. No. You know what? These videos really stink because I don't have a video editor, so they're horrible. Because all mine can do, it says that I need a codec. That's all it does. It needs some stupid video codec. And so then I can't use anything to fix it because that's Windows Movie Maker. And then there's this Sony thing that my dad's gonna buy for my birthday, which is September 3rd. I'll make another video then. Or if you start making me do another one and stuff like you already are doing right there, then yeah, sure. You know, this thing is really loose. I don't know why. No. Oh, come on. This isn't really stable. Whoa. Okay. You see why that was not working, so. Yeah. I don't do this video very much because I only do this when I'm really bored, because I'm always playing some stupid game on computer. You know what? I think I just broke that. Who cares about this? It's already broken. Oh, great. I'm fixing it. So I was twisting it the other way. Okay, that doesn't help. Let me check this other one. Yeah, that one's working, so yeah. Wait, let me check the battery life. And time available. 132 minutes. Time available for YouTube as yeah, so 6:40, 6 and 40 seconds. So. I don't know. Okay, I almost blew one of those things you don't want to know about. Okay, I just wasted a lot of time, so I'm just gonna make this quick, so. I'm not doing any talk breaks. I should be doing that.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh. Okay, so oh my god, one burp. It's a new record. I used to only do one when I was like the beginning of the year, so. Man, I have to work on those. Oh, let me check this. 8 and 48. 50 seconds. Just wasted about.
Damn.
Oh man, I have to work on that. If I had a video editor who can make a song, it's just this. Not it. I have to do them on and stuff at the same time.
K, P, C, D, E, F, G, H.
Yeah. Whoa.